KINANI MBURU MUTHURI wa UKURU wa MIAKA 90 na uria wahurukire mieri 6 mihituku riu akirie kuhurukio wari thutha wa ngucanio ndaya na cira uria wambikitwo igoti-ini ria MILIMANI guku NAIROBI. Kuringana na murio wake Ng'ang'a uria watwaritwo igoti-ini iguru rigie ngucanio ya kuria ithe agathikwo, ni areganite na uhoro ati we hamwe na ari na ariu a nyina ni manyitanire igeria-ini ria gutunyukithia amemba amwe a family IGII ithe.
Our father had informed many people that the reason why he says that they are his children is because he had gifted their mother lad at Gatanga.
Yes. And
our father took care of everybody who was born under his own care.
Yes.
In this court we have Joseph Kang'ethe.
Agitetera cira-ini uyu mbere ya mucirithania wa igoti riri Gerald Gitonga, Ng'ang'a ni ugite aria mambikite cira igoti-ini ti ciana cia ithe gwiciarira ona gutwika ni magairwo mugunda wao mwena wa Gilgil County ya Naikuru kuria Amerikanite gukorwo mawendetie.
Our father referred as one of his sons, yet he was not his biological son. He was saying that because he gifted her mother or his mother a parcel of land at Gatanga. There are so many people, even Anthony KINANI, they are not biological.
Yes.
We also have another Anthony KINANI who was gifted land by our father, yes, not on the basis of biology,
yes,
but on the basis that they were born in the land that belonged to him.
Kuringana na aria mambikite cira uyu igoti-ini maikite ihoya ithe wao agathikwo mucini gwake mwena wa Gatanga kuria mutumia wake wa mbere ahurukirio kuringana na unduire wa Ugikuyu guku aria mathitangitwo makienda akahurukio mwena wa Gilgil kuringana na wendi wa ithe.
Our father marked that place a long time ago, and I said in this court it was like a song, when I die.
Just tell the
yes.
court time that you have lied to this court.
Myself, no.
Throughout these proceedings,
I haven't.
In fact, you've never filed a document that puts you as a liar.
Myself, I don't think so.
Riu mucirithania Gitonga ni athite ikundi cieri ikorwo ineanite wira wao mbere ya tariki 27 mweri uyu kuria thutha ucio agakorwo akirekereria itua ria kuria mutigaire agathikwo.
Because I want a candid agreement. Whether 55 minutes from now will help us. If they won't, I would rather we adjourn so that we come when we know we have at least an hour and a half.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.